y'all, welcome to the Style Chronicles. Today's video is going to be this makeup tutorial. It is a very spring, peachy, kind of bronzy makeup tutorial that I've been wearing lately, and I achieved this with the help of the Tarte Peach palette. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I achieved this look.
You're the one I dream of. Looks into my eyes, take me to the clouds above. Oh, I lose control, can't seem to get enough. When I wake from a dream, tell me, is it really long? Don't wake me, I'm shaking. Wish I had you near me now. Said there's no mistaking. Tell me, is it really long? You're the one I dream of. Looks into my eyes, take me to the clouds above. Oh, I lose control, can't seem to get enough. When I wake from a dream, tell me, is it really long?
Alright, so here you have it, the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching that. As I said, I did use the blush and highlight from the actual palette. It is difficult because it's a very small well, but it works if you can pinch your brush to get the blush off. So it is fresh and just dewy, like a very matte look to my face, and I like to add highlight into key areas. So I feel like these inner corners are very important when you're going for a dewy, you know, fresh look. Putting a light shade there, even if it's just white, if you're doing like a matte look, anything, highlighter, anything that you would use to, you know, get a glow. If you pop it in that inner corner, it just opens your eyes and makes it look so pretty. As well as, you know, the upper, underneath the brow bone up there. That always makes your eye look so big and open as well. So I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.